Good morning. You are listening Sanjeevni, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 6th August 2020. Pune Municipal Commissioner Vikram Kumar has allowed hotel, lounges and guest house to begin operations with 33% capacity from Wednesday. Thermal scanning, online payment, less rush at reception, social distancing. With these in place, these businesses can be run. Operators must ensure that customers have the Arogya Setu app on their mobile phones. The Women and Child Development Ministry has instructed all field functionaries and healthcare providers to reassure mothers to initiate and continue to breastfeed their infants, even they have tested positive for COVID-19. Wash your hands with soap or sanitizer before and after contact with your child. For complementary feeding, feed the infant or young child with the cup. Ammonium nitrate, which causes Beirut blast, is an odorless crystalline substance used in fertilizer and industrial explosive. While the chemical, which is an oxidizer, is not explosive on its own, it becomes highly explosive when combined with fuels under normal storage condition and without very high heat. It's difficult to ignite ammonium nitrate, US explosive expert Jimmy Oxel said. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta stated before Supreme Court on Wednesday that Centre has accepted Bihar government's recommendation for CBI inquiry into Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. The Supreme Court is hearing actress Rhea Chakravarti's petition seeking direction for transfer of investigation in the case from Patna to Mumbai. PM Narendra Modi on Wednesday performed Bhumi Pujan and laid the foundation stone of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya. He had first visited the Ramgarhi Temple after arriving in Ayodhya. The Bhumi Pujan ceremony was also attended by Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, BJP leader Uma Bharti and Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev among others. Aishwarya Saran, a Miss India 2016 finalist, has secured the 93rd rank in UPSC Civil Services Exam 2019. I thought that since I had always been good at academic, I should maybe take a break and give civil services a try because it has always been my dream, she told Times of India. Further, Aishwarya said she didn't take any coaching. I, Sanjeevni, will come with latest updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.